The next step is to connect our website to our database. Go into index.php and open and close a PHP tag underneath the doc type declaration. Inside the PHP tag, include the config file, then set up a variable called dbconnect and use mysql_connect to connect your database and your website. In the config file, we declared 4 constants that we're going to use when we connect to our database. Please have this handy so that you can copy and paste the constant names. Constants should appear as host, username, password, and database name in that order. Just in case things don't go well, we can set up an if statement with round brackets, followed by curly brackets. Inside the round brackets, we detect if there's a connection error, and if there is, we go back that the connection failed and give the reason, and we then ask the page to exit. Next, create a file called showall.php and save it. Then open and close a PHP bracket and define 2 variables, findSQL and findQuery. Then go into phpMyAdmin and click on your untranslatable data. If you'd like, click on the word so that the words are sorted in alphabetical order. And at the top, we can copy the select statement, paste it into our findSQL variable. For findQuery, we're going to use the MySQL query function, which takes in dbconnect and findSQL. Inside our PHP bracket, we can set up a results heading, and underneath, we want to loop through the results of our query and display them. Our while structure is similar to an if structure in that we've got our round brackets followed by curly brackets. We can use our findRs variable to organize the results of our query into an associative array using MySQL fetch associative. We can then give ourselves some space inside the curly bracket, and we'll want to close our PHP and then open again. We can then display the results of our query in between that close and open PHP. Again, we can use H3 headings for our word, and we can use our special PHP shorthand to echo out the word from a database. To access the word, we're going to use findRs, square brackets, and speech marks. We can then retrieve the column name. To do this, you go into phpMyAdmin and click on the column. Then at the top, copy the column name and paste it into findRs. See the results. You need to edit the URL so that the pages show all. And as you can see, we've got each of the words outputted under our results heading. We could also easily output the meaning and the example similar to how we did the word. But if we want to access the language and the sentiment, those are currently ID numbers. To access those ID numbers, we're going to need to join our tables together. Let's give ourselves some space. We also want to put our from on a new line and order by on a new line. Instead of using the full table name each time, I can put in a shortcut. U is going to stand for untranslatable data table. Then I can edit my select statement so it's selecting everything from U, and I can make it clear that U stands for untranslatable data under the from command. I can also simplify my order by command. And if I save and reload, we can see that the results are the same. As this video is getting a little bit long, we're going to continue to make our show all in the next video.